Hello, greetings to all. In this video, I will just briefly explain about this e-guide application software. So it's an e-learning platform for students where they can learn things with the help of different multimedia materials, and also they can practice exams and take exams. So let's look in detail about this application software. Let's in this video I'll just highlight the features, and let me give you a demo username. The username is admin and the password is 123456. Okay, so this will take to the admin dashboard. So if you look in the admin dashboard, you have the number of classes, number of students, number of subjects, number of students, number of questions that are updated, and number of exams available, and how many number of active users, and all those details are available. So basically this software helps students to understand things visually and also practice exams. So in admin side, you will be able to create access for new students, and also you will be able to create a class, and under the class you'll be able to create a subject, and under the subject you'll be able to create a chapter, and under a chapter you'll be able to create topics, and under topics you'll be able to upload different multimedia materials. Okay, so for example, let me show you. Let me take a class as class. Let me demo one, or let me take CBSE class 10. Okay, take this class, and I have two subjects added here. Okay, so let me take 10th science. Let me add a chapter, and there's already a topic. Maybe if I want some other topic, I can add a topic like sample 2. Okay, so then I'll just create some description for this. I'll just give a topic is created. Then imagine if I want to upload some material for this, I'll be able to do the same. Okay, upload material, go to upload material. Here I'll be able to, let me choose the science subject, and chapter is this, and this is the topic that I created right now, and what type of content I'll be able to upload. So I'll be able to upload PDF material, PPT, and image, so, and also video. So let me try to show you by uploading an image. So imagine this is a topic which I should make students understand better, and I'm just adding an sample image just to show you. Okay, image. Okay, then I'll be able to add the file. Okay, let me add one picture here. Okay, so this is just an demo application, so I'm just uploading some irrelevant content. Okay, so once I upload, I'll be able to see the list of content that I have uploaded. So if you just view it, okay, I'll be able to see the upload content, and I can also show you, right? So yes, in demo video is uploaded. Let me open the video for you. So so the main advantage is I'll be able to upload multiple content in terms of audio, video for each topic. Okay, so if I want to create a class, I can go here and create a class. Okay, this is a list of classes, and if I want to create a subject, I'll be able to create a subject here against a class. Okay, and if you want to create a chapter, I will be able to create a chapter and etc. Okay, topic and everything. So this is one major advantage of the software. And right now we are on the admin side, and other thing is, let me show you. For example, if you want to create a question, okay, if you want to create some exam for students, so I'll be able to do that. I'll go and choose here upload MCQ, and if I just upload the questions, okay, I can easily upload the questions. And if you want to see a sample questions, here is a sample. You can just download this, and upload it directly. Okay, here are a few questions, and let me just upload it and show to you. For example, let's take demo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and I have to select the module. This is the module that I have selected, and the course is science, and for this subject I have to see what kind of exam is this. This is a practice. Let me give us a practice exam, and this is what is the duration that is given for this exam, and what is the maximum marks someone has to take to pass this exam, and etc. Fine. Let me go to upload, and let me go to downloads, and upload this question. Okay, save. The question is uploaded. Okay, and if you want to see the questions, I'll be able to see the questions also. So like whenever I upload, okay, so all these exam details will be here. See, this is the exam that I uploaded currently, which is a demo exam. Sorry, it's a practice exam. So I'll be able to preview, and I'll be able to see the questions. And if I feel there is some, and if you go to next question, we'll take next question, and if I feel there is some mistake in this question, I can go and edit and make some changes. Okay, changes. So I'll be able to make some changes also. Submit. Okay, so this option is there. Okay, now let me go to the students panel. Okay, so I just briefly explained about the features in admin panel, and there are much more features. So let me just go to the students panel and explain you the features. And just, so if you want a username, it is Jeff, and the password is Jeff123. Okay, now basically I'm assigned 2 different courses. Okay, 10 science and social science. So as a student, okay, and I have course validity and everything, it is given, and my teacher has assigned totally 11 exams for me, and on this 11 exams I have totally 1894 questions, and etc. All these details are available on this today's date and everything. So imagine that as a teacher I want to view the study material. Okay, 10 science, let me go to the chapter, and let me go to the topic, and this is a PDF material. Okay, so against this topic, chemical reactions and equation, that's a PDF material which my teacher has uploaded, and I'll be able to go through the material like wherever I am. Okay, then for example, for this topic, my teacher has uploaded an image file where I can open and go through the image file. Okay, so, and let me go to some other topic, chemical reaction, and there is a lecture. Okay, maybe a teacher has uploaded a YouTube lecture or embedded a YouTube video. Okay, and I'll be able to watch as a student. I'll be able to watch the video.
What happens in a chemical reaction?
Okay, so and again some other image a teacher has uploaded, I'll be able to view it. So basically, this is the sample that you have uploaded in the admin site for this demo. So you all remember this video. Sample 2 is the topic that you uploaded, and against this topic we have uploaded some image file, and this image file. So basically, this software helps students to give a brief idea about that particular topic in different multimedia materials. So long back it was only a teacher board interaction where in the classrooms, but if teacher want to elaborate something more meaningfully, with the software is a great help. They can upload the multimedia materials in the backend, and all the students will get benefit out of it. Okay, then I want to highlight other 2 important things of this software. Okay, one is the exams. Okay, as a student I'll be able to make 2 different kind of exam. I'll be able to make a practice exam and demo and live exams. Okay, I want to highlight about this practice exam to you, and also about the demo or live exams. So basically, have something called practice exam. So imagine my teacher has uploaded so many practice exam for me. Okay, so many practice exam for me, And now let me take one exam. Okay, let me take the first exam, chemical reaction. Okay, it's a practice exam. Let me go and take the exam. Okay, so there's a difference in the practice exam and lab exam. So this is a practice exam, and imagine it's the first question. Okay, I'm just practicing, and let me click the answer 1. Okay, so the answer that I have tried to give an answer, and here as a teacher I can give the explanation for the answer. I can give the explanation also. Okay, so the answer what I have answered is wrong. That's why it shows red in color. Let me go to the next question, and I'm trying to answer something. Again I have given a wrong answer, and whatever if at all the teacher has uploaded the explanation for this, his explanation also comes here after I answer it. And here the answer is 1. Okay, the first one is the right answer. So if I have answered correctly, it shows in green in color, and if I have answered wrongly, okay, you can see it shows red in color. So in this fashion, and student will be able to understand what is the subject, and he'll be able to understand the concepts very clearly, right? Okay, this is the right answer, so I'm agreeing. And if I try to answer, after all the other answer, it gives me a red color. So I'll be able to understand things very clearly as a student. I'll be able to build confidence provided the teacher has uploaded the material. Let me go back and let me take a live test now. Okay, let me take a live test, and okay, let me take a live test, and my teacher has uploaded 2 tests for me for this student, maybe for the entire class. So let me go take this material, and okay, some question I'm taking this material, and there are totally 117 questions. Okay, you have multiple features here, and if I have, and these are the colors. Okay, you can see red color. Red color means I have seen the question, I have unanswered. If it's green in color, I have answered the question. For example, if I answer this question, and it changes to green. Okay, and this blue indicates the question that I have not visited. So let me go to save and go to next. Okay, next, and let me try to answer this. The color changes. Fine. Okay, the color changes. So the difference in practice exam and main exam is practice exam it shows the answer instantly, whereas in live exam, the demo exam, the answer does not come. So it only shows have you taken the exam or not. Okay, if at all answer, it shows this color. And imagine that I have seen the question, I haven't answered, I'm going to next. See, so I have seen the question, I haven't answered, it is again in red color. Okay, again I haven't answered, it goes to the next one. So these are the features that I have. Okay, so as a student I'll be able to take these exams. Okay, and let me just submit this exam. So total there are 117 questions. I just answered 5 questions, and so number of unanswered questions. I have seen 2 questions I have seen, but I haven't answered, and I have not selected any questions to review later. So this is a summary of it, and I can give submit. Okay, so here it shows me the score also. Like my name is Jeffin, and this is the exam name, whatever it is, and my course is this, and my score is 1 because I think I have answered only 1 question correctly, and what's the time that I have taken, and what's the status. So here it shows out of what is all the unknown questions, it is seen here, and it shows out of I have answered only 1 question correctly, and if you go to each question, I'll be able to see the explanation for each question. Okay, such a good tool for students to understand things. And there are much more features. These are 2 features which I would like to highlight, and there are much more features like training certificates. When a student finishes course, he'll get a certificate, and other get training appointments, and we have just seen the results. Let me go back. So as a student I have taken the exam. Now again let me go to the admin panel. Okay, and show to you. Okay, close. Let me just go to you and go to the review results, and see it shows the people who have taken the exam. So this is the exam that I have took right now in front of you, and when a student takes the exam, it is actually updated in admin side with the teacher panel. Okay, so the teacher will also be able to evaluate the performance of a student. Not only that, and if I want to print the results and give to my as I said, my record file. Yes, I'll be able to do that also. If you go to print, okay, I'll be able to print also. So these are the major features which I want to highlight, but there are much more features which are coming in the near future, and we'll be uploading more explanatory video in detail about how to create a question and how to create a subject, how to add students, okay, in further videos. This is a promo video with just to highlight the features of the software. So if you're interested, do please contact us. You can call to us so that we can help you out in giving this software for you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.